In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in DocuSign. This is a quick and simple process, and it only takes a few moments once you know where to look. If your name is misspelled, outdated, or you just need to update it to the correct version on your account, DocuSign gives you a way to do that directly from your profile settings. To get started, go to DocuSign and sign into your account. Once you're on the main homepage, look toward the top area of the screen for your profile icon. This is where you'll access your personal account settings. Click on the profile icon, and from the menu that appears, choose Manage Profile. This will take you to the section where your account details can be viewed and edited. If you don't land directly on the editable screen, look for the option labeled Update and click that to begin making changes. Once the profile fields are open, find the Name section and change it to the correct name you want displayed on your DocuSign account. Take a moment here to double check spelling, spacing, and capitalization so everything appears exactly the way you want it. As you make the change, pay attention to the preview shown below. This preview helps you confirm how your updated name will appear. It's a useful step because it lets you catch any mistakes before saving, especially if your name needs to match other official account or signing details. When you're happy with the update, click Save. After saving, you should see a confirmation that the name was updated successfully. That message lets you know the change has been accepted by DocuSign. At this point, your name will now be updated on the account. In many cases, the change appears right away, but it's important to know that sometimes it may not reflect immediately across every part of the platform. If that happens, don't worry. Give it a little time, and if needed, log out and then log back in to refresh the account view. That often helps the updated name display properly, and that's all there is to it. By going to your profile, selecting Manage Profile, clicking Update, entering the correct name, reviewing the preview, and saving your changes, you can update your DocuSign name in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your name in DocuSign quickly and easily.